Today we're looking at the Phenyx Pro PRC-SE-6UD, a 6-space rack that they sent over. It's made from high-density polyethylene, and it seems pretty tough. Metal latches, metal rack rails, front and rear, and storage inside the lids. It looks like the rack is designed with RF systems in mind. This lid has storage options for mics and belt packs. This lid has a zippered pouch. They use screws on the pouch, so it looks like if you don't want the pouch, you could easily remove it. This included rack screws and an anti-slip pad that you can use on top for your laptop or tablet. Of course, you don't have to use this rack for RF. Here we've loaded it with a switcher and items for a Dante network. This rack could also serve as a Behringer XR18 rack with room for IEMs, for example. But being Phenyx Pro, they obviously had RF in mind with these. Let's look at some measurements so you can see what things might fit. With lids on, front to back is approximately 21 inches. Internally, looking at the front rail to the back rail, it is approximately 14 inches. Side to side, counting the standoffs, it looks like it is about 22.5 inches. The height looks to be about 13.5 inches. The rail spacing is standard dimensions for standard rack mount equipment. Here are the official measurements, just in case you don't trust my tape measure. Looking at the lid storage, we can see there is space for 4 belt packs and 5 handheld microphones. The other lid has the full zippered pouch. Let's take a look at the interior of the rack. Overall, this seems to be a sturdy and well thought out rack design, especially for RF needs. And they also have a 4-space version of this rack. The rack comes in at just under 30 pounds, so it's lightweight and strong. Perfect for a gigging musician. I'll leave links for these down below. Here's another video you might want to watch. Thanks for watching, thanks to the patrons, and I will see you next time.